Hi guys, welcome to the part 5 of the tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to update a specific row. Okay then, let's start. For our sample, we'll be updating the second row of our spreadsheet. In this case, the row ID is 2. We will go back to the Postman website, change the action to update, and change the ID to 2. And for the headers, we can just leave the content type as is, but we can also remove. For the request body, this time, we will not be using it, so leave it as blank. Going back to our spreadsheet, I will just take note of the values of the row that has the ID 2, which we will be updating. Then we will start adding query parameters below the ID. As per our sample spreadsheet and database, they are item, description, quantity, and color. And their values are umbrella, short, 5, and yellow. Okay then, for our sample, we'll try changing the values of the description and quantity. We'll be changing them to long as description, then 24 for the quantity. And for the update function of our database, we'll need to set the request to get. Now then, everything is set, and we are now ready to update our sample row. Then, we'll hit the send button. Okay, everything went well and we got the "You updated successfully" message. Going back to our spreadsheet and database, the values we changed were really updated successfully. Okay, let's try again changing and updating another values, using the same row ID, which is 2. Another success update message then. And checking the database. Everything's good. Then for another example. How about trying to update a row with an ID not available in our database? Let's try the 8 as an ID. Then press send button. The result we got this time. As expected, ID not found. Okay, then, for our last example for this video, we will be updating the row with 3 as the ID. Alright, the row ID with value 3 was successfully updated. And, as we finish this video, take note that, for updating your database using the update function, be sure to add all query parameters of that target row. Otherwise, the value not added as query parameter, it will be updated or changed to a blank value. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.